People, I was driving along and I saw the flashing lights and I was thinking like, yeah, something definitely happened. So the closer I got, I didn't know exactly what happened at the, driving up. And till I got all the way up, I noticed a vehicle in the bushes over there on the left side. Yeah. Early in the morning, man. Maybe it's not a truck, but something happened. Oh yeah, it is a truck. Whoa, look where he ended up. Wow, that's a crazy one. Yeah man, Grand Rising people. On my way to York, Pennsylvania to deliver a load. I should get there around 11 or like 11:30 or so. And then from there, I'm gonna grab something and head on over to New Jersey. Then from New Jersey, I'm gonna go right back to PA and PA to Kentucky. But this vlog is just delivering to York, Pennsylvania. It's early in the morning, early night rising. It's very cold out, as you can probably look and see. Cloudy skies. It's 11 degrees Fahrenheit. If you know Celsius, then you can figure that one out too. Alright, people? So today I'm I do the right thing. Try to reach my stop. Drop the trailer. Pick up our next trailer. And leave out to the next destination. I have no whole lot of time for me 70 hour clock. So I have to just grab the load. Drop this load. Grab an empty. And roll off to the pickup to pick up our next load, and then from there, so you don't know where I go already. You just have to once and once. And just make sure you do the right thing. That's it, people. That is it. Alright, out here with no fear. Don't forget the journey is long, so you gotta stay strong, people. Yeah, man. Don't let nobody try to stop your dreams by telling you you can't or you can't or you can't. Alright? They tell you that, you tell them bullshit. Yeah man. Tell them that's bull crap. They want to be the only one that can pursue their goals and fulfill their goals, but they don't want you to, achieve nothing. As them see I try to step up, they might tell us, say, oh, that no good, or you can't do that, or that's not gonna work. So don't listen to people, alright? Listen to yourself, listen to your mind, follow your mind. The thoughts is reality. So you think it and it will manifest. Alright, people? Over and out. One love. Let's go, people. Alright, people, I'm on I-80 East, mile marker 111. That's 111. And we're coming up on the highest point on the east of the Mississippi, elevation 2,250 feet. I-80 West up here, I-80 East in Clearfield, Pennsylvania. Alright, I don't know if it's Clearfield, but it's close to Clearfield. Yeah, it's Clearfield. Clearfield is 11 miles from here, so I'm just going to say Clearfield. We just passed the highest point Mississippi on the East Coast. Alright people, Clearfield, Pennsylvania. Now I'm going to descend this hill, and it's a long hill, so see you at the end of it. Alright people, over and out. One love, let's go. Remember, the journey is long, stay strong. Don't let nobody stop your dreams, follow them. Alright people, still up on the journey.
Turn left on US 322 East.
About to turn onto 322 East. Woodland Road. Lake people, it's frozen. Look at that. There's one frozen lake for you.
5.4 miles ahead, take exit 28 and then turn right on Pennsylvania 297 South North Susquehanna Trail.
Alright people, almost at the end of this trip to York, PA. Yeah, I just rode to a way station, mobile way station. You don't want to roll past none of them things, man, because they'll come chase you down. So, even though I didn't see any lights flashing, I see them in there. So, do the right thing. I'm gonna drive through. Yeah, but like I said, I'm almost at the end of this trip. Oh, this is a small vlog, nothing big. Yeah, we have our next 5.5 miles, about 6-7 minutes, and then I reach the drop area where I'm gonna drop the trailer here, and then like I said before, I'll pick up our next one and head up and head down to Morganville, New Jersey, if I remember correctly. Going to a Lowe's to drop that trailer off. It's loaded, and pick up another trailer that has some, I don't know what the hell is in it. Yeah. Right now, like I said, about 5-6 minutes out. When we reach the people, I turn on back the camera and make them see what I go and see. Alright, over and out. One love, let's go. Journey's long, stay strong. Alright people, as y'all can see, we reached the facility. However, there's 2 trucks in front of me, so I gotta wait for them to leave so I could drive up and get my paperwork checked and get the location where I have to drop the trailer, and keep my fingers crossed that there's an empty trailer here for my company, because most times you come to these places there's no empties, and I don't know what's gonna happen. So there's a US Express at the front of the line, and there's a Swift right here, and then I'm the 3rd person in line waiting. Get my license out just in case they want it. they ask for my license, people, I could just give it to them. Alright, it's my turn to move up. Alright, people. Check back in when we reach up our gate. See? Alright, people. Get the spot where we drop the trailer. I'm just I drive around to the other side of the building. And then I will drop it. And then I gotta come back over to spot number 17 and pick up my empty trailer. And from there, I'll be on my way. If you want to pass, go ahead. I'm not stopping. I don't know why you're driving up on the side of me like that, like you're stupid.
0.3 miles ahead, turn right on East Butter Road. $117, he said the number's on the ground. I don't see a damn thing.
Because there's so much fucking salt on there, that's why you can't see it. You said 117?
Yeah.
It's down there, please. Down there where that Swift driver is.
Alright, thank you.
Down there, that's
I can't see shit. Alright, thank you. People, I wasn't kidding when I told the guy I can't see nothing on the ground. Like he said, there's a lot of salt down and you can't see the numbers because everything is white. The numbers is white and the salt on the ground is white too. So that makes it real difficult to see where the number is. So right now I'm just driving up, trying to see something. And then, you know, if I see a number, I can start counting from there. But like he said, it's down where the Swift driver is in front of me. 117 is in that vicinity. So I'm going to, you know, wait for him to do what he's doing after he done drive up and, you know, drove around me. You know, but that's how some of them are. You just gotta let them do what they do. And once he, you know, park, I'm gonna drive around and try to find the spot or somewhere close to it. Or no, the guy came and he showed me where it is. So you guys gonna see him drive past and stop and point to where 117 is. So I'm just gonna drive by this guy and that's him. He's gonna stop and point over to where it is, and I'm going to, you know, drive past, do my setup, and then reverse into the spot and drop the trailer. Yeah, man, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, people, to Trucking Lifestyle TV. Like, share, and subscribe, people. Yeah, this is me getting set up to back up and drop the trailer. It's a nice setup.